Hey guys, it's Diamond Mine. Welcome back to my channel. So the wig that you guys will be seeing me use today is from Alipearl. This is their curly lace frontal wig. Now off camera I did go ahead and pluck the hairline and I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. So of course, if you watch my channel on a regular, then you already know the first thing that I do when installing my wigs is cutting the lace off of the wig. And of course, you already know I don't glue any of my wigs down. But I am going to talk about the specs on this wig. So of course, as you can see, the texture of this wig is curly. The lace on this wig is a light brown, which is also a Swiss lace. The color of this wig, as you can see, is like a natural black. The length of this wig is, I would say, 12 inches or maybe shorter, but considering that it is curly hair, it is going to appear a lot shorter than what the actual measurements are. The density on this wig is 150%. I definitely can see and feel the fullness to this curly wig, which I actually like. I like bigger curly hair instead of, like, you know, that straight see-through type of curly hair that I just can't vibe with. Now, given that this wig was sent to me, I do understand that some things will be a little different, like the amount of shipping and processing time. So you guys have asked me, especially like on social media, what's like the shipping time for a lot of these wigs. So I really do like that Alipearl Hair put it on their website what the whole processing time is like when you order a wig from them. So I'm just going to tell you guys. So according to them, it takes 1 to 3 days to customize a wig. It usually ships within 24 hours except for the weekend and holidays. Normally it will ship by the following shippers: DHL and UPS, which normally takes another 2 to 5 working days. There is a return policy where you can return this wig and exchange it. However, of course, it can't be used. You can't, you know, customize or anything like that. So that's why it's so important when you get a wig in the mail to not, you know, cut the lace off. Don't do any plucking to the hairline, especially if you already got a vibe that you're not going to like it. So now that we got the specs out of the way, let's talk a little bit about this hair. So as you can see right now, I am pulling out some of the hairs around the hairline and plucking those hairs to create a more natural hairline. I do like that this lace came more so lighter than darker. Some companies will send you like these dark wigs that just don't match up good with your skin, and there's really nothing that you can do about that when you're being sent, you know, like a dark lace wig. So it's best to get transparent, number one. But if you can't get the transparent lace, get a lighter lace, and you can always tint the lace, or you can add makeup to it to make it, you know, mimic your skin tone a lot better. So when it comes to styling the baby hairs, I would typically use like the Light Body foaming wrap, or I would use the Got to Be Glued gel. It just really depends on how I'm feeling for the day. But honestly, both of them help me secure my wigs down without having to use any type of like stocking cap method or gluing the wig down. So right now I'm just kind of playing around with the hair, trying to figure out what kind of style I want to do. I really think I should have just did a flip over method, but I ended up not doing that in this video, simply because I think like the last two curly wigs that I have gotten has been pretty much this length, which I'm actually loving, by the way. And I usually do like the same style because I'm just in love with it right now. So I think what I'm going to do is just like a half up, half down. It's simple, it's cute, anybody can do it. You can't, you know, you can't fail it. So I'm just going to do that. Now, this wig only comes with about 3 inches of parting space, which I don't really like. You guys already know that, especially if you watch my videos on a regular. You guys know I love like 6 inches or more parting spaces. You just get a lot more versatility when you have more lace that you can play around with. So So after I have applied some wax to my hair and smooth out the hairline, I'm going to just put the hair in a bun, and I'm going to go in with some concealer, and that's just going to define the parting space a little bit more and also give the illusion that I have way more parting space than what I actually have. I do prefer to do this, but it is a preference thing. I just think it makes like your wig not look so much like a wig when you can actually see some sort of like scalp look effect. So I'm not going to really mist the hair with water. I am going to go in with the Carol's Daughter, I think that's what it is, the Carol's Daughter misting hairspray, and I'm just going to spray that all over this wig. And as you can see, a little bit of that product goes a long way with this wig, and the curls are super duper defined without applying any type of water. That's crazy. I've never had a wig that does this with just using this product. Like normally I can do it for my natural hair and I'll get this look, but not for a wig. Given that this wig is priced below $80 with coupons applied, I did not experience really any issues that was worth complaining about with this wig. I do think it's worth the money. I think the quality of the hair is pretty nice. I think the lace is straight as well, but I do wish that it came with a little bit more parting space. But for what you are paying for, I do think it is a nice quality wig, especially for someone who is on a budget. The quality of this wig definitely exceeds the price of this wig, but all purchasing information will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye.